Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to today's video. I'm Shahad and let's get started. I have been getting messages if I can do like some mauve smoky eye looks. So I thought, what better way to start filming today while doing this look? So I'm here to give you the look that you wanted. So let's get started. For foundation, I'm going in with the Dior Backstage foundation, and I'm gonna drop in a little bit of a liquid highlighter just to give us this healthy glow to our faces. Excuse my hair today, I don't know what it's doing. It's doing its own thing. So I'm just gonna pop it on and then add on the the liquid highlighter and then blend it together. I don't want a lot of foundation. I don't know. Look at that. The lighting is perfect now. Yes. Okay, now applying concealer. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Concealer. And then taking my Fenty Beauty face powder as well. And make sure before setting your eye with the powder you have no creases from the concealer, so you won't leave creases on your face. I'm taking my Hoola Benefit bronzer and I'm just gonna contour and warm up the face a little bit. Tell me something, boy. Aren't you tired trying to feel that boy? I am falling. You know, I have not, surprisingly, I mean, most of you know me that I love Lady Gaga, and I did not yet watched A Star Is Born. I know, shocking for me. I mean, I'm a huge fan, but I don't know, I'm just waiting for the right time. This happens to me like a lot with movies, with books or anything. I just want the right time to watch, you know, or to get myself ready. I don't know, like yesterday was the Oscars. She won the best original song for her song Shallow. Oh my god, this song just is like taking my heart and you are literally stamping on it. This is what makes me feel. Anyway, I'm gonna watch it today. If I don't post for a long time after that, just know, because I know how emotional this is, the movie is. I think I'm ready. Don't forget your tan. Wearing this is for you. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows and I'm using my favorite Benefit Contour Pro. First, let's brush those bushy brows upwards. I am here and I move with my body, move with my body. All night long. And then going in with my Anastasia clear brow gel to hold these hairs in place. Okay, and as usual, I'm gonna do one eye off camera and come back and we can go step by step to do the eye look together. So see you soon. And I'm back when eye is done. And as usual, I'm using my favorite base, which is the P.Louise base, and this is in the shade number 2. I'm gonna apply it all over the lid. First, carve out my brows. Okay. First, I'm gonna use just a black liner a pencil liner. It doesn't have to be like in a great shape because we're gonna smudge it out. So I'm just gonna apply that now. Okay, and now I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm gonna dip in single MAC shadow, and this is like just a plain black shadow. I'm gonna smudge the liner out. That's not okay. Okay, now we're done with that. I'm gonna do half oval brush, and I'm gonna dip in my Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia. No, wait. First, I'm taking this black shadow. Ugh. This MAC black shadow. I feel like nobody talks about MAC nowadays. I love MAC. Okay, I'm just gonna slightly just bring this darker shade upwards. And then I'm dipping in from the Anastasia this shade Cypress Timber. Since I applied this base, I don't want to like just swoosh it around. I just want to dab in the shade first and then blend it. It will be easy this way. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of a lighter, like brownish shade and pop it right for the inner part of the eyes. And then I'm taking my Morphe M433 brush and I'm blending things together. Dabbing on the shade Cypress Umber again. Okay, I'm gonna dip in a darker purple shade. It's not from the Anastasia pan though. You can use whatever dark purple shade you have. And just blend things together. Take your time blending. This does make a difference. Taking this firmer. And just also blending it upwards, right underneath the brow bone. If you see any patchiness, I'm just gonna, I dipped in the shade Cypress Umber again. I don't want to see like any patchiness around, so you can all drag me. I know what you do. And I slightly dipped in the shade Cypress Umber again to blend things evenly. Vermeer, I believe, just under the brow bone here. Just go over it with the same brush here again. For the waterline and black liner. Okay, and I'm taking this flat brush for the lower lash line and I'm dipping and also swiping, taking this liner and dragging it lower lash line. And then again, I'm taking a pencil brush right here and I'm just dipping in the shade Cypress Umber and blending it out. And taking this small oval brush again and dipping in these darker purple shades I have. And again with that small the Morphe brush, I'm going to dip in the shades Love Letter again and just blending and smoking out the under eye. Okay, now for the inner corner here, I use my STILA liquid shade, liquid glitter shade, and I'm popping it right in the inner corner of my eyes. Now off camera, I'm gonna put on lashes and mascara and right back to do the whole. Okay, lashes are on, everything is good. Okay, I'm gonna put on blush. For blush, I'm gonna go with my favorite e.l.f. blush palette. I cannot get rid of that. And I'm just putting in the first shade. It is so pigmented, you guys. I'm trying to find the putty primer everybody's talking about, but I can't seem to find it here. Also, the drugstore products that are like not in Asia are not considered drugstore prices here. My daughter is trying to come inside for a while now. And for highlighter, I'm going with what? I'm going with my Fenty Beauty How Many Carats. Ooh, she's bougie. I know that it breaks your heart when they're crying. Instead of closing, we'll get through this. We'll get past this. I'm a girl with a whole lot of baggage. my face is so glittery, like I'm sweating. I'm not mad. I'm going. Okay, for lips, I want to do something more soft or something. I don't know what to say. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. It was a quick and easy thing, nothing more dramatic and nothing more, you know, like boom, so much. Because this look has been highly requested and I've been getting a lot of comments and messages saying they want to see this kind of type of look. Anyway, I hope it was easy. I hope everything was okay for you. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and please comment and tell me what would you like to see. If there's a specific look you want to see, what do you want me to do next? I would love to hear your thoughts, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.